जो कि वहां पे भी वो हरास होती है आदमी से कि जाओ खुला ले लो। यहाँ अगर वो डिवोर्स हो भी जाती है तो उस पे वो कहते हैं कि जी बच्चे नहीं देंगे। उसके ऊपर हमारे पास सोसाइटी के अंदर मेंटेनेंस इश्यूज हो जाते हैं। हमारे पास कोर्ट हेयरिंग्स चलती रहती हैं। अगर मियाँ इन्फ्लुएंशियल है तो औरत तबाह हो जाती है इस चक्कर में। द ट्रॉमा इज लॉन्ग इनफ, द चिल्ड्रन हैव टू गो थ्रू साइकाइट्रिक हेल्प, what not, because the parents are always on a fight between them. So this is enough already. It is a constant reminder of the torture a woman has to go through. Once an ex-husband is an ex-husband, I think that's the end of the subject. He should not be anywhere close on a passport or my identity card should be only by the name of the father maximum, not of the husband. चलें वो भी आप उसको भी 2 मिनट के लिए हम कर लेते हैं। द पॉलिसी स्टेटमेंट इज ऑल्सो आउट ऑफ कंटेक्स्ट एंड रिडंडेंट इन द ग्लोबल कॉन्टेक्स्ट वेयर वी रैंक 4th, sir, in unfortunately, and instead of elevating the ranking by following the protocols of International Civil Aviation Organization, which are implemented by the Global Passport Index. For example, sir, Singapore ka passport hai, which is required to have a chip that stores a basic information. सर बायोमेट्रिक डेटा उसके अंदर होता है, नेम, कंट्री ऑफ बर्थ, डेट ऑफ बर्थ, फिंगरप्रिंट, फोटोग्राफ, सिग्नेचर, पासपोर्ट नंबर, आईडी नंबर. नो नेम ऑफ फादर, नो नेम ऑफ हस्बैंड, नो नेम ऑफ एक्स हस्बैंड. तो सर these are used, this passport is then used at all the border protocols, जो कंट्रोल सेंटर्स होते हैं उनके वहां पे वो यूज करते हैं. सर आई थिंक इंस्टेड ऑफ हम अपने इसको to make it better, the passports, and to bring up the ranking, instead of doing that, we are bringing it even further low by discriminating women again. Sir, इसमें आपको मैं example देती हूँ. In 2018, a woman named Tatir Fatma petitioned the Supreme Court to allow to use the last name Binte Pakistan and remove her father's name from her documents so that she could get an ID card. As the father in question hadn't registered the young woman, and so she wasn't able to apply for one, the court dismissed this. Sir, this is another issue. Here, petitioner barrister Khatija Shah said the passport office established at the LHC arbitrarily rejected her application for passport renewal. The rejection seemed to be based on the fact that her CNIC indicated her father's name under the daughter of column rather than her husband's name under the wife of column. Ms. Shah said she had appropriately updated her marital status with Nadra after her marriage. She said Nadra allows married women to retain name of father section in the CNICs. She said the passport office verbally communicated a policy that required married women to possess a CNIC with her husband's name to obtain a passport in their name. The petitioner said the respondent's refusal to accept the passport renewal application was arbitrary and illegal. She said that public authorities are obliged to adhere to legal provisions and cannot impose additional restrictions at their discretion. Sir, having said this, my suggestion to the DG Saab is that agar we not only are lowering the ranking of our passport, even through the even further through this introduction of such gender discriminatory policies, तो सर एक सजेशन में दे देती हूँ. अगर एक्स हस्बैंड्स का नाम डालना ही है तो फिर सारे आदमियों को बोलें कि अपनी एक्सेस का नाम भी डाल दें, प्रेजेंट बीवियों का नाम भी डाल दें, जो अनरजिस्टर्ड बीवियां हैं उनका नाम भी डाल दें, जो मुद्दा में बीवियां हैं उनका नाम भी डाल दें. सर, वी विल एग्री. Let's keep a balance of everything. Let's have the record on their passport as well. Sir, it's a travel document. It is not your bio history कि कहाँ से आप आए हैं, प्रेजेंट मियाँ का नाम, एक्स हस्बैंड का नाम. It's ridiculous, sir. So, sir, I would really, this instantly, this policy should be immediately withdrawn, and the previous status of married women for the passport data may be maintained, sir. And I strongly